Hello students, today we are going to do the bookwork of chapter 1. So let's start. Tick the correct option. These are the MCQs. Okay, options are given. We have to choose the right one. So name of the game the children are playing. कौन सी गेम थी जो बच्चे खेल रहे हैं? A. Kho-Kho, B. Hide and Seek, C. Football. So they were playing hide and seek. कौन सी गेम खेल रहे हैं वो? Hide and seek. The number of children playing the game. कितने बच्चे गेम खेल रहे हैं? A. 4, B. 3 और C. 2. कितने बच्चे थे? Already 3 friends were there. 3 तो उसके friends थे, Avis, Mavis and Tom. And the fourth one is poet himself. और चौथा वो poet खुद था. So 4 children were there playing the game. Who seems afraid in the poem? Poem में कौन है जो डर गया था? A. Avis, B. Mavis and C. Poet. तो poem में कौन डर जाता है? Poet afraid in the poem. Poet है जो poem में डर गया था. Okay, these are the questions that we have already done in the notebook. Okay, now moving on to reference to context. Read the following sentences and answer the questions that follow. Same reference to context we have done in the notebook. Fill the same in your book also. Are hiding somewhere in the dark and it's my turn to seek. Name the poem and the poet. The poem name is Hide and Seek and the poet is Robert Grave. Who is hiding in the dark? अंधेरे में कौन छुपा हुआ है? The poet's friend. Poet के friends. Whose turn is to seek now? अब किसकी बारी है ढूंढने की? It is poet's turn. अब ये poet की turn है. Write the meaning of seek and use it in your own sentence. Seek means seek का मतलब क्या होता है? To find. Now we will make a sentence. Everybody is seeking happiness. हर कोई खुशी ढूंढ रहा है. What is the rhyming scheme of the second stanza of the poem? So second stanza के अंदर rhyme scheme क्या है? What is rhyme scheme? See, when there is words are given, those have the same rhyming is called rhyming scheme or the rhyming words. So for the same we will read the second stanza. Second stanza, see. Suppose they lay a trap and play a trick to frighten me. Suppose they plan to disappear and leave me here half dead with fear, groping from tree to tree. So यहाँ पे rhyming pairs कौन कौन से हैं? Guess. Me, tree. Me, tree. Sound is same. Disappear, fear. इनका sound same है. Me, tree. इनका sound same है. So these are the rhyming pairs from the second stanza. Nouns are the naming words in the poem. There is a list of many nouns. Classify them under the given heading in various columns. We have to choose common noun and proper noun from the stanzas. See, common nouns are leg, monster, dark, trick. All these are common nouns. And proper nouns, Mavis, Tom Clarke, Moon, Avis. These are the proper noun. Now, activity zone. There are many creatures which come out of their homes during the night time. Write the names of those creatures in the space provided below. कुछ क्रिएचर्स ऐसे होते हैं जो रात को ही अपने घरों में से बाहर निकलते हैं, तो हमें उनके नेम यहाँ पे राइट डाउन करने हैं. सो गेस कौन कौन होते हैं वो? आउल, ये दिन में नहीं निकलते हैं बाहर, हम इनको रात को ही देख पाते हैं. बैट, चमगादड़, ये भी हम रात को ही देखते हैं. एंड रैकून इज़ ऑल्सो अ क्रिएचर दैट कैन बी सीन इन द नाइट ओनली, जिसको कि रात को ही देखा जा सकता है. नाउ हियर इज अ एक्टिविटी फॉर यू. सी what you have to done, do this step wise. Steps are given. One of the night creature which you might have seen is owl. Join the dots and complete the picture. सबसे पहले आप dots को join करके picture को complete करेंगे. After that cover the picture with purple leaves. Purple leaves से picture को cover करेंगे. Then paste twigs of the plants on the boundary lines. Boundary lines पे आप plants twigs को paste करेंगे. Then ब्लैक स्केच पेन से आप उसकी आइज़ को ड्रॉ करेंगे. एंड देन यू विल फील अ लॉट ऑफ फन वाइल वर्किंग विद नेचुरल थिंग्स. इट विल बी अ ग्रेट फन. सो डू दिस एक्टिविटी एंड कंप्लीट योर बुक वर्क. ओके, थैंक यू.